Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay!
I wasn't quite ready then.
I want to let you know.
I was going to pose a little bit. Yes.
Jay is so old that after spending one day doing a shoot, he's wearing a back brace. Yep, he's got it on, baby.
Can I just say, it's not just one day. You'll notice the last few days I've had to go out on boats and they've been a little bit bouncy.
Yes.
And I wasn't on this shoot, especially, I didn't get a seat.
So we're going to take you behind the scenes. People quite often ask us during low season, why are we so busy?
Yes.
And one of the reasons during low season is that we're shooting feature films and TV shows.
What's that, Sean? Feature films and TV shows? Wow!
So just last week, and whenever this video comes out, that's going to be like the point to last week is not going to work.
Yeah.
Jay was out shooting a Love Island style dating show.
That's right, I was there.
He wasn't in the dating show.
No, I got kicked out in the first round.
Did they fall in love?
I don't know, it's coming out soon, I haven't seen the end. All I know is I saw what happened that night and there was a swimming pool and a thong involved. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, so the things you wear on your feet.
That's right.
Yeah, okay, got it. So then on top of that, we also went from that shoot to shooting a feature for
Yes.
and we're going to be shooting that for the
You're
next...
allowed to say that?
Well, Carl will bleep it, I'm sure.
Okay, good.
And we're going to be shooting that all the way through mid to end of June. So that's what's keeping us busy here. When we're on shoots like this, Jay and me, we're out running the shoot.
We are.
We're on radios with each other.
Sometimes.
But
I'm very good on the radio because I'm trained as a VHF radio operator. Old Muggins here isn't.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
No.
Quite often I don't even push the button.
No, nor do the Thai staff, and it makes it very difficult to understand what you want.
Yeah, and that's
anyway,
then I just scream at Jay, Jay!
We were close enough to shout at each
then
other.
the director gets angry. Yeah, why are you screaming during my shot?
Anyway, what are we doing
We
here?
are professional about it.
We are.
So we're going to talk to you about the shoot and where we went. So actually, this was a really interesting shoot, Jay, because we had a two pickup location thingamajiggy. So we left here out of Boat Lagoon.
What's a thingamajiggy?
Yeah, I don't know how to say it.
Good.
And on your boat, you had a drone operator and a camera water operator.
Yes.
Dive instructor.
Yes.
Well, why did you need all of these people?
I didn't, to be honest. Sean...
Be careful of the NDA or the lot of bleeping from Kyle.
Okay, can I just say, Sean's this long-winded thing. Basically, Sean and I and a few other lovely people went out to the Similan Islands on a secret shoot, which we can't talk about, and I took footage, and then here's the footage.
So let's cut to
the morning.
Let's
cut to the first thing. I want to cut to I've seen it, and I want to cut to the first thing. Here's Sean at 5:30 in the morning. 5:20 in the morning. Red Hot Chili Peppers just finished. It's dark. What am I doing? Going to the Similan Islands. Woo woo. Sean, it's 5:30 in the morning. What are you doing here?
Honestly, no idea.
No, Sean, you're meant to be positive. We're going to the Similan Islands, yay!
It's too early.
Oh.
Can we go back to bed?
No, come on!
You're not allowed to film me at 5:30.
And here's Sunwa at 5:30 in the morning. Sunwa! It's 5:30 in the morning. Where are you going?
I'm going to Similan!
Yay!
Yay.
Oh, candy. Nice.
You can film Sunwire at 5:30, but not me.
Well, I did already.
Oh.
It's done.
So we jumped on the boat and we headed up to Tablamu Pier and we went in hut of some coffee.
Yes, we were looking for coffee, and here's the footage, Sean, of us looking for coffee. We're off to the Similan Islands! Yay! Someone's taking selfies on the front of the boat, look. Hi! Hi! We're at Saracen Bridge on our way to Similan Islands. It's still early in the morning. Alex is still here. Adjust. Sean's working. He's answering some WhatsApp emails, aren't you, mate?
Yep.
Yep.
There's no coffee though.
There's no coffee. Sun's coming up, and I forgot to do something at the office, which I'm now going to have to go and do on the beach. But we can't talk about that. Oh, look! Going under the bridge. Cool. So, Sean says we're going to the Similan Islands. Have a look. Yeah, doesn't look like the Similan Islands, looks like we're in a marina. And we are. We're somewhere in Khao Lak because we're picking up some people, but shh, can't talk about it. It's cool here though, it's really nice. We've, for some reason, got off the boat. We're now, I don't know where we are, but the exciting news is I'm going to turn around this way so you can see the team. Look, the team are walking off looking for coffee, but look what Alex has found. Alex has found a massive cock. Look at the size of that cock. That's huge. And not just one big cock, but there's two. Right, anyway, I really don't know. Where are we going? We're meant to be going to the Similan Islands and we're walking down the street.
Can't go without coffee, man.
Oh, Sean wants coffee, so he's doing some physical work by walking.
Alex found a coffee shop.
Apparently Alex has found a coffee shop, but...
And Alex scouted the beer shop on the way back.
Okay, so Alex has found the beverage shop. Oh,
This is why he's the best guy. He knows where coffee and beer is. Everything else doesn't matter.
If you want coffee and beer on your tour, then make sure you book Alex.
Ask Alex if he knows where Similan is.
It's definitely not here. Anyway, we're looking for coffee, so I'll let you know when we get there. Alex is getting directions from this lovely person. Oh, luckily, someone just saved me from getting run over. This video's going well, isn't it? Right, anyway, Alex has talked to this lovely lady. And she's telling us where to go for coffee. Thank you, Cap and Cap. Do you get a number, Alex? Alex, do you get a number?
Let's say red and then turn right, another mile.
Mile? I'm going back.
Honestly, somewhat, we're just walking round. Where are we? You don't know where you are, do you?
we gave up.
What's the name of it? Well, at least let me know the name of this place.
I feel a little ill about the situation that we just experienced, so we're going back.
Okay, we've just seen something that we didn't want to show you on camera, but it wasn't very nice. Yeah, not that yappy dog, but no, we're now going back to the pier where we originally walked from to go and get coffee.
Because Jay's going to do number 2.
I do need to go to the lavatory.
And I just found where the number 2 goes.
Yeah, we saw where it all comes out.
Oh.
Anyway, enough of that conversation. We're still following Alex. I think his new girlfriend gave him the wrong directions.
She sent us back to Sister. Oh, they're walking this way.
Look, check this out. They're drying squid. That's so cool. Look, this lovely lady here on the phone. Yeah, look at her, she's drying. Look at all this squid. Wow. If you had smell-o-vision right now, stinky, stinky. But it's very cool. It's everywhere. Holy moly. That's nuts. Oh my God. It's all over here. Look. They must be eating a lot of dried squid. Holy crapperoony. There you go. You need dried squid? Come here. Still not sure where we are. Anyway. Right, coffee. Oh, more cocks on the rubbish. Nice.
Oh, that reminds me, that clong was horrible.
The clong was horrible,
Oh.
and I didn't video the clong for certain reasons. But what do you think of Alex's cock?
It's big.
It was a big cock.
I was going to say another word that I can't say.
No, you can't.
So we'll keep going.
Yes.
After we did find coffee though.
Well, we did eventually, yes.
Alex is good at very good at guiding.
Yes.
Finding coffee.
Yes.
And finding beer.
And as we found the coffee, then all the people that we can't talk about because I've signed some NBA agreement that I can't play for the Chicago Bulls turned up.
Yeah. So if Carl's got any footage of that, please grey out all their faces. So we are now back on the boat and we're heading.
I'm not sure you can say grey out. I think that might be a little bit racist. I think you have to say
blur out.
Pixelate.
Pixelate it.
There you go.
Okay. So then we jumped on the boat and we headed out to Similan. I went one way, Jay went another.
That's right, and here it is.
Why did we do that, Jay? What was my boat doing?
I don't know, Sean. You tell the lovely audience why you were
We
so
were
far
on
away
a
from me.
producer's birthday when Jay's shooting.
I was working that day and sat on the floor, hence why I've got a very sore back. Anyway, do you want, they want to see the footage from Similan.
Yeah, let's show them the footage.
Here it is. Us at the Similans.
You shot first scene.
I shot everything out in the Similan Islands. It's so beautiful out there. Look at this.
It's so blue.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Stunning.
Look at that turtle, Sean.
Do you see the actress doing that thing in the scene?
Wow, look at that. I mean, that's gone into the shot now. That's going to be amazing when the movie comes out.
Jay. I think we signed an NDA.
We did sign an NDA. Yes, we talked about this
Does
before.
that mean we're not allowed to show the footage?
Kyle, black it out quickly. black screen, and all the stuff we just talked about, just black everything out. Nothing happened at the Similan Islands. Nothing, Sean.
So then we left Similan and we went back to Tablamu.
That's right. Tablamu's lovely, by the way.
And at Tablamu, you went hunting for something else.
Yes, we did. We decided that we needed to go and find Jack. But we should explain this a little bit. And you'll see the footage in a minute. Alex and I got onto a little bike and we went to find some Jack and some beer. However, the rules are in Thailand that you can't buy alcohol before 5 o'clock. And it was 4:45. But luckily, well, watch the footage. Don't crash, Alex. So, look at you, look really nervous. You drive a massive motorbike, this is nothing. So we're on a little three-wheeler at the moment. Look, I'm saying, it's got, we don't know whose it is. Oh shit. Oh, I've got, stop sweating. It's scaring me. Oh, watch out. Hello. Hello, everybody. We're going to buy alcohol on a bike that we've stolen that we don't really know how to ride. Oh, this is great. Let's do it this way though. Don't look at, no, you'll concentrate. Shit. There it is. We couldn't buy Jack because it's not 5 o'clock and that's the rules. Okay. But we can buy cans of Leo. Woo-hoo! So, this is Khao Lak. Well, it's not all of Khao Lak, but it's some of Khao Lak. It's pretty cool. Did the Similan Islands. We didn't take too much footage because we was on a secret mission there, which we're not allowed to talk about because we signed some NDA agreement or whatever. But we dropped off the people that were with us. We've got some beers, didn't get Jack, and now we're about to head back to Phuket. Look, Alex is still buying beers. That's all he ever does is buy beers. Good job, Alex. Well done, mate. Hell yeah. Honey, we're home.
And then on the way back, Jay, somehow the boat converted from a very serious shoot to a dance party.
Oh yes, do you want to see that?
Did what you find in Tablamu have anything to do with that?
Watch this and you'll see.
Guys, Alex is uncut now.
I'm Simon, I'm a diving bitch. The water specialist. Hey.
So that's how a shoot happens from...
You lot were going mental
I
that one.
really love that song though.
I know you all did.
It's a beautiful song.
It was a great song.
Yeah.
You were having it.
So that's how shoots happen. We normally actually a shoot, we're got an 8-hour shoot, but before and after we've got the pre-brief, the post-brief, the planning. Now, as Jay knows, everything we plan when it comes to a shoot, we just throw it all out and start again.
That's right.
We're very good at that. But we thought today you'd like to see a little bit behind the scenes of what 5 Star Marine does in the off-season.
Can I just say, kids, don't drink alcohol. Well, until you're...
But do watch the movie. It's going to be a great movie. It's on... It's called...
I'm not sure you're allowed to say those things. You signed the NBA, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Jordan's going to be so upset with you. So upset. What are you doing?
You know who I love?
Alex has a secret person that he's about to go and tap up and get more beer. Aren't you, Alex?
Anyway, you on the boat in Thailand, I know how to buy beer.
Bye, Alex.
Bye.